interrupted you.
So you must understand ukuthi lo msamo manje obekayo lapha ekhaya is the physical manifestation of where all the spirits gather for a meeting.
What spirits, mkhulu?
Amathongo, amadlozi, abantu abaxhumane nawe ngokwegazi, ngokwamanzi, nangokomoya. You must know ukuthi
Yimi. Amathongo, amadlozi, abantu abaxhumane nawo ngesimo samanzi. You said something like that. I'm just thinking for the 2K who's watching who's like, huh? Yini amathongo, yini amadlozi, cela ukuthi ujule mkhulu. Bodle.
Okay, so in terms of the physical manifestation, the physical manifestation now will go into a powerful hermetic principle, which is as above, so below, as within, so without. So makungekho right